Misattribution of symptoms, as I just mentioned. Individuals may overestimate their pre to post-injury symptom change, endorsing current symptom rates similar to that reported in the general population, while underestimating their pre-injury prevalence of symptoms. Misattribution is a common phenomenon whereby ordinary aches and complaints of daily life that are easily overlooked become more prominent because of worry and anxiety. In certain settings, after an injury has occurred, these symptoms and complaints can commonly be attributed to the injury. Misattribution is likely more frequent with clinical entities like concussion, where symptoms are nonspecific, diffuse, and exist at a high base rate in the general population. A lot of people get headaches. A lot of people feel dizzy from time to time. A lot of people feel fatigued. This is stuff that happens to everyone. But somebody without a concussion just goes, oh man, I got a headache today. I'm going to take an Advil and I'm going to go to work and I'm going to move on with my day. Person with concussion says, oh my God, I have a headache. I have to do nothing for the rest of the day. I have to shut everything down. I have to turn off all the lights. I have to do all this stuff and I can't do anything. Don't talk to me. I have a headache. Okay? That's the difference. The misattribution of that headache to being caused by the concussion versus I have a headache. The differences are there. Misattribution may also be more common when accompanied by concrete negative beliefs of expectations. I have a brain injury. It's my brain injury that's doing it. Immediately, that's going to create negative connotation. As a hypothetical case, so I found this interesting. So I highlighted this one in pink, which means it's more important, I guess. As a hypothetical case, if an individual with a strongly held concussion-related concern sustained the most minimal of force to the head. I've talked about this in previous podcasts. A person with a strongly held concussion-related concerns sustains a very minimal force impact to the head. Negative thoughts and feelings could bolster what would have been a subthreshold sensation into a consciously experienced symptom or symptom set. A sporadic benign headache could thereafter be interpreted as evidence of ongoing injury, or normal everyday forgetfulness could be perceived as a resurgence of neuronal dysfunction.